الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, class? I hope you are fine. It's me, Muiz Siddiqui. I'm your subject teacher of class 3 maths from the educator Pal Class Campus. We class, before starting the class, first we recite dua. So raise your hand. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Okay class, today we will study predecessor and successor. What is the meaning of predecessor? It means what comes before, and successor means what comes after. For example, we have a one digit. Let's we take 1. So what comes before? So 0 comes before, and what is successor? What will come after 1? 2. So 2 is the successor and 0 is the predecessor of 1. Let's suppose we take 2 digits, 15. So what is the predecessor? Predecessor will be 14 because 8 comes before, and what will come after 15? 16. So it is the successor. Okay, start. Okay class, this is the sign of greater than, this is the sign of less than. First we take a number 8 and number 9. So which is the greater? So 9 is the greater than 8. Okay class, we take another example for less than. First we take a number 6 and number 8. We know 6 is smaller and 8 is greater, so we use this sign like that 6 is less than 8. This is less than sign, this is greater than sign. Okay class, now we are going to learn ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is, let's suppose we have 3 numbers. This number, this number, this number, sorry, 4 numbers. So first we write the smallest one and we are going to largest one. So what is the smallest number? 48, 47, 49, 31. We look the starting to number 48, 47, 49, 31. What is the smallest number? Smallest number is 31. So first we write this one, 3199. Okay, skip this. Now we have 3 numbers. Now we check starting to number 48, 47, 49. What is the smallest number in these? 47. So we write 47, 69. Now skip this. We have just 2 numbers, 48, 49. What is the smallest? 48. So we write 48. And last, this is 9, 30. So this process is called descending to ascending. Okay class, now we are going to learn descending order, which means greater to smaller. We have 3 numbers. So first we write the greatest one. What is the greatest one? 48, 81, 89, 84. 89. So we will write 89, 44. Then skip this. Now what is the greatest? 48, 81, 84. 84. So we will write 84, 91. Now skip this. We have 2 numbers, 48, 81. 81 is the greatest. So we will write 81, 49. And last this. 48 19. Okay class, this is your book. Count on 3. Book 3. Okay, page number 11. Open page number 17. First we write top of the page. 31st May 2021 and we write VL. Okay class, question number 3, fill in the blank. The greatest one digit number is 9, we know. Its successor, we know successor is the next number, so the next number is 10, 9, 10, which is the smallest 2 digits number. The greatest 2 digit number is 99 because 100 is 3 digits number. Its successor is 100. 100 is the successor of 99, which is the smallest 3 digit number. Okay class, you will do these blanks by with your own self. Okay class, question number 4, identify the circle number as a predecessor or successor, then put a tick in the correct box. 5698, 5697. So 5698 is the successor because it is the largest number and it is the lowest number. 97 is the lowest, 98 is the largest. So successor is 98 of 97. So we take in successor box. The next, the B part is 3109, 09 and there is 0. 09 is smallest, so predecessor is smallest number, so we take in predecessor. Okay, part number C, 4430, 4429. The ring digit is 29. 29 is comes before 30, so 29 is the predecessor. Okay class, the remaining part D, E, F, G, H, I, J you will do as your homework. Okay class, first we write date 31 May 2021 and VL. Page number 19. Okay class, question number 1, place greater than or less than in each box. Which digits did you compare? The first one is A, 5648, 5640. Which one is greater? Obviously 5648 is greater than 5640, so we use this sign. And what digit we compare? We compare 1, the last one. 8 is greater than 0. Okay, B, what is greatest? 3906, 3956. 39 is same. We compare 10, 0 and there is 5, so 5 is greater, so we write like that. Which we compare digits? 10, so we write 10. Okay class, C, D, E, F, G, H you will do as your own self. Okay class, question number 2, fill in the blanks. Greater than or less than, which is same. A is 3024, 2423. Which one is greater? Obviously 30 is smaller than 40, so we write like that. Greater is 4023. Okay class, remaining parts D to R you will do as your homework. Okay class. Class, this is your homework. Do page number 17, 18 and 19 as homework. Okay class, I hope you enjoy the lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.